per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gust and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
$half-size hail?
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations of hazards include Litchell, Meshack, Persimmon, Cyclone, Lyme, River Shade, Vernon, Dever, Haytonsburg, and Stolka. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Who even uses $half anyways?